Andy. Tom's already crashed. All right, good morning. Welcome back. We've made our way out to Wisconsin, out on this beautiful frozen lake with a bunch of friends, because today is Gridlifes Ice Battle, hosted by ASM. So all the boys will be out today, and Pete has provided us with this lovely drift car here. Got the G-Wagon, and it should be pretty good. It's like a mild drift build, has all the basic stuff on it. Hopefully it'll make it through the day. Andy and Tom have an MR2 back there, and we are just getting set up. It's early out here and pretty chilly, but hopefully soon the whole Gridlife crew will be here, along with I think we have 60-70 entries today, so it should be some fun competition, and can't wait to film it and have you guys check it out too. So
yeah, that's the first time I used it, actually. Open this package.
I just bought one yesterday. It showed up.
Look at these bad boys. Fun fact, the tires don't wear out here. Andy's apparently had these tires since Ice 2K and
like 8-year-old.
8-year-old. Anyway, there's work to be done. I'm gonna get to work and we'll be out later. Be a little more aggressive next run. I was all the way on the inside of every corner. Oh man, okay, finally got the G unstuck. Feels super bad. Sorry everyone, hold you up for so long. It's so easy to get wide onto the snow, and then the studs kind of lift up off, and then all of a sudden you're just on normal snow tires, and the car went super sideways. I gotta find a second.
What'd you have? 78?
9.
9? You'll get by the second. Third gear for sure. I tried doing second. Second is just like
Yeah,
For
too
one,
much.
it's kind of a little too much
Rob, are you
power. It
going
just
next,
spins the
or
wheels.
is he-
Third
Whoever's up.
gear.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Just do like third gear the whole thing. Keep it tight.
Right.
Hydro.
Tight and tidy, and then hydro in.
Can she ride with?
Yeah,
You'll do 75.
Yeah.
Keep you on the track.
Exactly. I am hugging the inside so hard this time. They're gonna be like, "Wow, you slowed down 5 seconds." I'll be like, "Well, stayed on the course though." All right, all good. It's so different with all the ruts changing, but man, this is so much fun out here. Kept it on the course, drove a little tidier. See who's up next. Gets cold after a little while. All right, we'll get it. 999, is that the line? Car 37 at the line. 87 at the line. Good.
Get the tow truck ready. What's your number?
I don't know.
6969.
212. 212.
When there's more letters in your last name than there are.
Oh, this Infiniti is way off course.
Where are you going?
Not on course, that's for sure.
All right, first heat is wrapped up. Everything's still good, everything's running. And most of us got some runs in. Second heat is basically all-wheel drive. Plus Pete's out there now, so he'll get some runs. Yeah, the event's going well so far. Everyone's gonna get 4 runs in. We'll go over, see how the live stream's going.
Oh my goodness.
How you guys
Here for the
doing?
Party. Hey, we're staying warm. We're feeling fly.
Sweet.
Having a good time. Having a good time.
Getting some good shots.
Oh,
Yeah.
the live stream's got it lit up. It did look nice.
Really?
I was
Awesome.
very, very happy. There's some close-ups. Yeah, Josh is flying awesome.
All right, a little intermission. Check out the live stream and relax for a bit.
The screen up. That is the temporary part of it. As we spin around here, you're going to see the familiar shape of Gingerman Raceway. And there is 5.
Sure, we got a few runs left and everything. Snowball fight's broken out up here with Andy. Fucker.
Let's send these guys, and then we'll do another studded rut session. Tires holding up?
Yeah, they're doing okay.
They're in the MR2.
What?
Better than the MR2.
Yeah, where's the MR2? Is it parked?
I think they went with the snow tires on.
Oh, okay.
Which should did that a while ago, and then you could have just done some runs on rubber tires.
Yeah, true. Awesome day. Hope everyone had fun. things are getting wrapped up. I'm sure we'll have some awards and stuff, but I think that's it for the fun part. We'll be back in the shop, of course, next week. And please, if you have a minute, like and subscribe. Of course, we'll be doing some more Grid Life stuff, hopefully real soon. And I will see you all later. It's Tom's FD car.
Yeah, you got a Scandi flick. Try not to crash. Use a little burn.
Lexus, sponsor us. Come on.
That's too early.
It's good, it's gonna hook. It's gonna